All right, let's look a little closer at sets and learn some new vocabulary. These are all pretty simple to do, and it's going to help us understand some notation in the future. So when you have a set of numbers, you can find what's called the complement of that set. And so if I have a total set of numbers, and so in this case, my universal set is pretty small. It's 1, 5, 6, and 11. The complement are all the elements that are not in that set. So I have subset B, which is 1 and 11. 1 and 11 are both listed in that universal set and matching 1 and 11 here. So the complement would be the elements that still exist in the universe, but do not exist in subset B. And so we could say that our set is 5 and 6. So you may find it helpful, especially if you have a larger set of numbers, to go through these and kind of mark them off. That way you don't accidentally list one that's not there. And some notation for that, you might see like B with a little C somewhere showing that it's the complement of that. So it's just everything that's not in the set, what's left. Now, if you have an intersection of a set, some notation for an intersection is going to be this kind of upside down U. So if a problem asks you to find the intersection of the set, or maybe it gives you this notation, that's going to be of the things that they have in common. So we are looking to compare, these are two different problems here. So we're looking at set A and set B. What do they have in common? So I see that they both have a 3. Is there a 7? No. 8, 12. Nope, that's it. So the intersection is a single number 3. So it could be a single number, it could be multiple numbers. Now I do have another example. If you look at this one, there's 6 and 10, but no 6 and 10 here. So they don't share anything. You can have what's called the empty set. So you could literally just draw nothing in there, or you might see kind of this, bracket's not good. Let's see if we can get that a little bit better. Or you might see this notation with a kind of like a circle with a line through it. Either one of these is indicating the empty set. There's nothing that they have in common, and that's okay. That is a possibility. It's like two people. They don't have to have anything in common. That's fine. And so with this set, there was only one thing that they had in common. That's okay. And you might even see a set where they have several things in common, and that's okay too. If you're looking at the union of the set, so you'll see that this symbol is more like a U, so it's the intersection flipped. This is going to be some sort of a new set containing all of the elements, but we do not want to list any number twice. So what I like to do is I like to start with the smallest number. And so I'll start here with 1. And so I'm just going to go through and I'm going to list 1 and then 2. And I just like to check them off as I go through. I've got a 3 and a 4. Do not list anything twice. So there were 2 2s, but do not list them twice. And then we've got 5, 6, 12. And so that's the union. So it's really just important to understand what the question is asking. All of these things are really easy to do, but we want to make sure we know what it means when they're asking for the complement, intersection, and union, and that's it.